Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Caffeine BS for November 7th, 2019. It's 9:19 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Right? Well, it's Pacific Time, whether it's standard or slightly irregular. Anyway, it's after 9 p.m. I'm sort of disappointed. I was expecting to do a couple unboxings today. Two things I ordered from a couple of companies. I won't name their names to embarrass them. Walmart. Oh, well, I won't mention the other one because I actually like the other company. Besides, it might be my bank. Apparently, they're just a little bit tardy in posting the money. Don't hang on to it. I've spent it. Get it in his hands really quick so I can get my merchandise. I mean, for Christ's sake, you got in big trouble for falsifying the number of accounts. Can you do something simple like pay legitimate credit card bills, or should I say ATM bills? Really? Anyway, as soon as my bandsaw blade and my inverter get here, I'm going to unbox them. And boy, do I have some funny stuff to say about bandsaw blades. Later.